Assalamu alaikum. Let's jump right into introducing our final year project, EyeSee. EyeSee will be a revolutionary new tool in the arsenal of optometric and ophthalmological technology. EyeSee will serve as a one-stop solution to all fundamental eye care for every individual with a smartphone and internet access.
EyeSee greets the user with a splash screen, and for the first-time user, it takes the user to the onboarding screens, which eventually take the user to the sign-in screen, and if he or she wants to sign up, he or she can. Otherwise, he or she can sign in through the credentials or use Google Sign-In. This is implemented through the code shown on the left, including auth_service.dart and firestore_user_services.dart file in the code.
If the user wants to undergo some form of diagnostics, the camera screen, as displayed, will allow the user to take a picture of their eye. The server will process this image and return the diagnosis, which will be graphically displayed in the following report screen.
The EyeSee application also consists of a virtual assistant. The virtual assistant helps in understanding EyeSee, answers user queries, and can also navigate the user if he or she wants to a specific screen. The virtual assistant can be talked to using a threaded-like interface or can also be talked to through speech.
The virtual assistant can also communicate with the user via speech, as shown in the following recording. Please navigate me to the community screen.
Navigating you to the community.
A user of an EyeSee can set two types of reminders. They can either be one-time reminders, for example, a doctor's appointment, or visiting a specific ophthalmologist or an optometrist. Otherwise, the user can also set recurring reminders, for example, if it's an eye drop that a user has to take or a medicine that the doctor has prescribed and the user has to take. The reminder is scheduled on the operating system, hence they notify even when the application is off or even not working in the background. The reminders can then be modified, added, or even deleted.
Within the EyeSee community, users will be able to browse different posts made by other users, filter posts according to their tags, make new posts, answer to posts, and like and dislike answers. As shown in the recording, for example, if the user wishes to filter posts by reminders or questions, he or she can do so by going to the tags panel. If the user selects a post, he or she can browse the answers, vote on answers, and even add a response of their own. Here is the code that implements the community forum. It includes Firestore answer services, question services, and user services.